Hi everyone, this is C. Anshuman Tandon, and today I am going to show you one project that I have built. So this project is basically for my own learning purpose in the field which I am currently focusing on, and that is the AI field. So basically, what I have done is that I have seen that at many places, you know. The AI system won't run on which we are highly dependent. Like, let's suppose if we are in any area where internet is not available, or let's suppose that we need it for some personal research purpose which we do not want to share to the AI module, because generally everything is going on their own servers. So if we want to do something like this, so I have created a AI system for that, which is a portable system. So this is my pen drive in which I have added that. So basically we don't need any sort of very complex uh, structuring or very complex setup to run this AI. I have made everything portable, and I have put this in this particular pen drive. So you just have to plug it in your system. You do not need any internet, any other thing. Just the only thing is that your system should have at least 8 to 16 GB of RAM, which is a common thing nowadays. So you just have to plug it in. You just have to like start it, and which is a very easy way, and you can start chatting with this particular AI chatbot. So let's move to the screen. I'll show you how this is working right now. Okay, so basically I have plugged in my pen drive into my desktop application, and you can see that it is visible right now. I'm just switching off my internet, and I'll show you. So basically you can see that I do not have any connection online right now. So now I'll show you how this system is going to work. So I'll go to my computer, and I will just go to my pen drive. Now this is the folder that I have created for it, and I have to just start this launcher which I have created for this particular application, and I have to press 1 to start all of the services which are required for it. Now this will take 1 or 2 minutes, and it will ask the model which we want to use. So I am just using the llama model which is currently getting used in this particular application. Now system will take some minutes to basically load this particular model into the RAM, because this is a portable device. The AI model is not stored in my computer. So you can see that now this system is running, the AI model is running. The only thing is that it is not ready. So I am getting this 503 error in my terminal, but it's not going to be a continuous thing. We just have to wait for some 2 to 5 minutes maximum, depending upon our system capability. If we have high RAM, high GPU, it will load instantly. Otherwise it will take a little bit of time. So let's wait for it. Okay, so now you can see that it has started. Basically I have paused this video on 118, and on 119 it has started. Now you can see that the previous 503 error has stopped, and the system tried to run. Then it got loaded, and now it is coming fine with a 200 status over here. Now I can go to my browser, and I can open this particular localhost link for this. If you don't know how to access this, what you can do is you can come back to launcher, press enter, and then you can start the application from this only. So what you have to do is you will get this localhost link from here. You just have to press control and click, and it will load automatically in your system. So this is the chatbot that I have created. It has basically the functionality to read your text PDF document as well. So let's suppose if I want to write an email, so I will just mention it over here that please write an email for asking for the status update on the task of, let's say, filing income tax return from my team, and I will press enter. So it is very similar to the normal ChatGPT interface that we usually see, and it will start working within seconds. So you can see that now the output is coming, and I don't have to basically go to ChatGPT for anything. You can see that my system is currently offline. It is not connected to any system, and the GPT is working. Um, Now it is a bit slow because my system doesn't have any high configuration in it. It's a normal usage 16 GB system, but you can see that the output is fine. Even let's suppose that I want to get some complex thing done from this. Let's suppose I want to do some coding, and let's say I am writing that please give me a code for let's say login page in PHP along with the CSS file. So even if I want that my GPT will start doing the coding, it will do that as well. I'm stopping the previous one so that it will start working on this chat. So see, first, like, even I haven't asked for the SQL schema, but it is giving me. So this is like useful if you are doing some coding and you want to have the initial code written with this. So even for this one, this particular model can be utilized. So this is just like ChatGPT. The only thing is that it is offline and it is purely yours. So your data is not going into any particular chatbot. And even if, let's suppose, you are in those areas where internet is not accessible, or let's say in tomorrow's world the GPT will become paid, so you don't have to rely on any of the online platforms to give you the GPT access.